ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ
Good afternoon, friends. We'll do one problem on half-range series. Yesterday we did many problems on this, means 4 problems. We'll continue that. Find half-range cosine series for the function. Everybody mute yourself. Find the half-range cosine series for the function f of x equal to x minus 1 whole square.
वो उसको एथिकल हैकिंग करने का उसको डेमो वीडियो
First, here what they asked, here they asked to find half-range cosine series. Need to write the formula. What is the limit? 0 to 1. So 0 to L here is 0 to 1. So what is the value of L? Clearly it is 1. Half-range Fourier cosine series, it is f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x. Okay, n pi x by L, but L is 1. No need to write 1. Then where a0 equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx. What is L value? 1. So 0 to 1 f of x. F of x is x minus 1 whole square dx. So 2 into what is integration of x minus 1 whole square? X minus 1 whole power 3 divided by 3 between limit 0 to 1. So this will be 2 by 3. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 minus 1 whole cube. 0 minus 1 whole cube. So this is for lower limit minus 0 minus 1 whole cube. That will be 2 by 3 minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1. So answer is 2 by 3. A0 value is 2 by 3. Next, an value. We need to find an value. An value, what is the formula? 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x cos n pi x by L. Here, L value is 1, or written directly. Integrate this by parts. This one as it is cos n pi x. Integration is sin n pi x by n pi minus differentiation of this. This is first term. Second term, differentiation of this is 2 into x minus 1 into 1. And integration of this is minus cos n pi x by n square pi square. Minus cos n pi x by n square pi square. So this is second term plus. Yes, and 38. Mute yourself. And differentiation of this is 2, and integration of this is minus sine n pi x by n cube pi cube between limits 0 to 1. Between limit 0 to 1. Okay, any doubt in this? This function as it is, integration of this is cos integration is sin n pi x by n pi minus differentiation of this 2 into x minus 1 into 1, and integration of this is minus cos n pi x by n square pi square, and differentiation of this one is 2. Differentiation of this is 2 and integration of this is minus sin n pi x by n cube pi cube. Now we'll substitute the limit. If you substitute the limit to, for this, if you substitute x as 1 n pi and for lower limit 0, so sin 0, so for both it will be 0. For this function, if you substitute x as 1, then sin n pi, that is 0. If you substitute 0, sin 0, that is 0. Next, for this, if you substitute upper limit, sin n pi 0. If you substitute lower limit, that is also 0. Okay, no need to substitute limit for this and this, as it will become 0. Okay, then what is the other term? 2 into minus, that is minus 2. I can write this 2 outside, minus 2 into 2, x minus 1. X minus 1 is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Upper limit is 0. Okay, minus, already 1 minus is there, minus cos n pi into 0 by n square pi square. Okay, this is minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Zero minus 1. So I left that 0 minus 1. Here 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1. Minus 1, then it will become plus. Okay, I will write again. There will not be any confusion. 2 into minus, I will write outside, 2 into x minus 1 minus cos n pi x by n square pi square. Minus, again I will multiply to this, plus 4 x minus 1 cos n pi x by cos n pi x by n square pi square, between 0 to 1. 4 by n square pi square. Upper limit is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. For lower limit, cos 0, correct? For lower limit, cos 0. So 4 by n square pi square minus 1. So you will get minus 1 or plus 1. Oh, sorry, 0 minus 1 I left. Again, I did the same mistake. 0 minus 1 minus 1 cos 0. So plus 1. 4 by 4 by n square pi square. This is an. So this is an. So we got a naught and an value. Required of range Fourier cosine series. Substitute the value. That will give the answer. That will give the answer. Any doubt in this? Finding out half range Fourier sine series or half range Fourier cosine series. So I will give one problem. It is there in your notes also. Obtain the half range Fourier cosine series for f of x equal to kx in 0 less than x less than is equal to L by 2 k into L minus x in L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Find out this. I will write the answer. A not equal to Lk by 2 and An equal to 2kl by n square pi square 2 cos n pi by 2 minus 1 minus 1 power n. This is the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? We move to next one. Understood or what? Not getting any replace. Answer your attendance. Yes and 1.
Present, sir.
Yes and 2.
Present, sir.
3. 4. 5. You have to answer. You unmute.
4 present.
Okay, 5. 6.
6 present.
7. 8.
8 present.
9.
9 present, sir.
10.
11 present, sir.
12,
12 present, sir.
13,
13 present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
14, 15, 15, 16,
16 present, sir.
17,
17.
18, 19,
19 present, sir.
20, 21, 22,
22 present, sir.
23, 24,
24 present, sir.
25, 26, 27, 28, 24 present, 25, 27, 28, 29,
Present, sir.
30, 31,
31 present, sir.
32,
32 present, sir.
33,
33 present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Sir.
38,
38 present, sir.
39, 40, 41,
41 present, sir.
42,
42 present, sir.
43, 44,
44 present, sir.
45, 46,
46 present, sir.
47,
47 present, sir.
48,
48 present, sir.
49,
49 present, sir.
50,
50 present, sir.
okay, 51, 52,
52 present, sir.
53,
53 present, sir.
54,
54 present, sir.
55,
Yes, sir.
56,
Yes, sir.
57, 58, 57 present, 58, 59,
Present, sir.
60,
60 present, sir.
61,
61 present, sir.
62,
62 present, sir.
63, 64, 65,
Present, sir.
66, 67,
67 present, sir.
68,
68 present, sir.
69, 70,
70 present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
73 present, sir.
74, 75, 76, 77,
Present, sir.
74 present, 78, 79,
Present, sir.
80, 81, 82, 83,
83 present, sir.
84, 81 present, 84, 85,
Present.
86, present, 87, 88, 89, 90,
Sir, 45 present, sir. 43 present, sir.
18 present.
Where were you? 45. Then,
43 present, sir.
okay. Then,
18.
7. Next, somebody was telling 80.
18. 18.
18.
Thank you.
Here, somebody is asking to second problem. Wrote and showed. After A1, how to find? explained that how to find after finding A1. Okay. So second problem, yesterday's second problem. X sin X equal to how much we got? A0 by 2. A0 value is 2. An value is cos n minus 1 pi by n minus 1 minus cos n plus 1 pi by n plus 1, and A1 value what we got minus of this much we got, and f of x is A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos, so what is period n pi x by pi, so nx. So this is nothing but A0 2 by 2. A0 is 2 by 2 plus A1 cos 1x plus summation n equal to 1 to it will become 2 to infinity an cos nx. Okay. It is not visible. It is visible. So 2 by 2 is 1. What is A1 value? Minus 1 by 2 cos x plus. This will be summation n equal to 2 to infinity an is this one, cos n minus 1 pi by n minus 1 minus cos n plus 1 pi by n plus 1 cos nx. Now 1 minus of cos x plus give value n equal to 2. What happens if you give n equal to 2? This is an. Sorry. An only we substituted. N equal to 2. 2 is cos 2 minus 1 cos 1 pi by 2 minus 1 1. This is n not pi. This is x. This is x cos x by 1. Next minus give n as 2 cos 2 plus 1 cos 3x by 2 plus 1 cos 3x by 3. This is for n equal to 2 plus n equal to 3. 3 minus 1 2 cos 2x by 3 minus 1 that is 2 minus cos 3 plus 1 4 4x by 4 plus give 4 cos 4 minus 1 cos 3 x by 4 minus 1 that is 3 minus cos 1 2 3 cos 4 plus 1 5 x by 5. It will continue like this. Sorry, actually this is pi only. From here pi will come, pi So let me write once again. A naught is 2, an is cos n minus 1 pi by n minus 1 minus cos n plus 1 pi by n plus 1, a1 equal to minus half. Then f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation Okay. Now see this again. After this is 1 minus 1 by 2 cos x plus give n as 2. This will be cos 2 minus 1, 1 cos pi by 2 minus 1, 1 minus cos 2 plus 1, 3 cos 3 pi by 3 plus, sorry, this is cos 2, no, cos 2x. Okay, next second term, give n as 3 cos 2 pi by 3 minus 1, that is 2 minus 3 plus 1, 4 cos 4 pi by 4 into cos 3x plus next term 1, 2, 3 pi by 3 minus cos 5 pi by 5 cos 4x. It will, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 cos pi cos is minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 cos 2x plus cos 2 pi value 1 by 2 minus, again this is 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 pi is minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 cos 4x. It will continue 1 minus 1 by 2 cos x plus this will be minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 cos 3x plus minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 cos 4x. It will continue like this. 1 minus cos x by 2 plus, what is the LCM here? Minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3. cos 2x plus, what is the LCM here? 4 minus 1 by 4 cos 3x plus, what is the LCM here? 15 minus 5, 2 by 5 cos 4x. It will continue. What they asked in the problem, this is equal to f of x equal to 1 minus cos x by 2 plus minus 2 by 3 cos 2x plus 4 minus 1. It will become 3. Sorry, this is 4 minus 2. This is actually 2 minus 1. This is 2 minus 1. 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 2 by 15 cos 4x. This is problem x sin x. Sin x problem. I will solve this and I will share. Just wait a minute. Let me not confuse you. In that time, just read practical harmonic analysis. Just read this electrical harmonic analysis. This is next concept. For this, you need calci. You need calci, and we'll start this in next class. It's already time. You can leave the class as you have another class. I will solve this and I will share this in next class. You can leave the class. I will share these notes.